4 reasons women don't enjoy intercourse anymore. Intimate relationships play an important role in married life. A good sex life can maintain the romance and intimacy between husband and wife. Conversely, if the sex life in a marriage is not going well, it will become a problem that can disrupt the household. A good sex life is when both partners feel satisfied in making love. Well, to achieve satisfaction in making love, each other must enjoy the intimate moment. Do you enjoy your lovemaking sessions with your partner? No? Why aren't you enjoying your intimate moments with your partner? If you're unsure and confused about why, try reading the points below. Number 1. You're too busy. Have you been feeling like you have a lot on your plate lately? Like your assignments from work or homework? Because if you're too busy, it could be the reason why you're not enjoying sex with your partner. Too much busyness on a daily basis is believed to reduce a woman's sexual desire. When a woman is too busy with her work or affairs, it can affect the hormones in her body. When these hormone cycles are irregular, you can be sure that you don't feel pleasure when making love with your partner. So, limit the activities you have every day. Organize your schedule and manage your time well so that you don't get too busy. Also, try to have enough rest time and keep your body fit. Number 2. Feeling depressed. Do you feel restless and anxious about something? Do you have a lot on your mind? You might be depressed. The state of depression can make you not enjoy sex with your partner. A number of studies have revealed that women who are depressed find it difficult to focus. As a result, women can't enjoy sex with their partners. Number 3. Contraceptive use. If you're using contraceptives, it could be keeping you from enjoying sex with your partner. Some studies have found that contraceptives can encourage a decrease in female sex drive. Some contraceptives, especially those in the form of drugs, have ingredients that can increase the production of globulin in the body and cause a decrease in sex drive. Your intention is to limit or plan a pregnancy, but it's making you not enjoy sex with your partner. Should you stop? Not really. It's better to consult your doctor before using contraceptives so that you can make the right choice. Number 4. Menopause. Women will inevitably experience menopause, a condition in which estrogen in the body decreases. Women who have entered menopause may lose their sex drive. Generally, women enter menopause when they are 40 years old. However, there are cases where menopause appears at the age of less or more than 40 years. So, it's possible that the reason why you can't enjoy sex is because you've entered menopause. However, if you want to continue enjoying sex, you can consult an expert to deal with the problem. There are still several things that can prevent you from enjoying sex with your partner. It can be due to illness, lack of nutrition, being too tired, lack of confidence, and the loss of love between you. So, try to think carefully about why you can't enjoy sex with your partner so that the cause can be resolved properly. I hope this information can provide positive benefits for all of you. Tell me your opinion in the comments column. If you like this video, please join our channel. May we always be given health and happiness.